Hello, it's Mr. Liam Alastair Crouse. I'm Liam Alastair Crouse. I was born and raised in Rhode Island in the United States of America. Ha mi an nisha fuideach an South Uist jis. Nu a hand me a galapa an davilas a hulk, hoshik me a gimsa Gaelic. I thought it would be a good way to learn about the history and culture of Scotland. I live in Uist with my girlfriend, who is Swedish and runs an online bakery in our village.
Stullam a bhí mui, mar sin thosaigh mé a giascach sna bhachan leis a chulik.
This gives me the opportunity to be outside for long periods of time and enjoy the landscape. Today I'm looking to catch a trout. Sometimes I catch one, other times I catch none. Let's see if my luck's in it today.
Sé lá ma rí túva locha bheith gása. For me, that was a good day beside the loch. Hai corsiadúm a bhí a mui agus fasca the nuisce. I got this small wooden boat when I moved here. It's traditional to the Grimsay area of North Uist.
I also enjoy foraging along the shoreline. Bimilorach strúpain, múrscain, agus femin.
We can use this when we're cooking at home.
Ha mir son leanting áramsa, bhí féin amach barach mé an cultúis agus eachtar na halapa agus gahadi uist.
I am currently studying for a PhD in the oral tradition of Uist.
I'd love to tell more people about my work and someday get it published in Gaelic.